guys, Melissa here from Farmhouse Chic. I want to bring to you today the $5 Spring Edition Goodwill Challenge. I want to say thank you to Hillary for putting on this this challenge. She does it for every season. This is my third or fourth one I've been participating in, so I want to say thank you to Hillary for putting this together, and be sure to check out the playlist below of all the other YouTubers that are joining in. It's great. Hillary has an old world feel home. Her decor style is a little different from mine, but then again kind of the same, because I have a farmhouse style home. And if you check out all the other YouTubers that's going to be in the playlist below, you'll get to see everybody's different style and kind of put those styles together and make it your own. So that's what I like about this challenge. You can see how other people use things in their home and think of how you could use it in yours. So in this challenge, this is probably the smallest. This is the smallest Goodwill challenge I've ever done. I found 2 pieces, but they are great pieces. They're awesome. I think I can use them seasonally, actually. So I like to buy things that I can use for more than just one season. So you are to take $5 and go to any Goodwill, thrift store, anywhere like yard sale, and spend only $5 to decorate something in your house for each season. So this is what I bought this time. And I've been very lucky because this is the second one I found in the Goodwill in the last week. This is a recipe stand. And just like the last one I found, this one also has the weights. It's metal. The other one I painted white. It was actually a rust color, a metal color like this too, and I painted it white to go in my kitchen. But this one's actually going to go in my living room. It's a little dusty, so I'm going to have to clean it up. But I only gave $3.99 for this. $3.99. Isn't that that's just so pretty. So the second piece I found to go with that is an old classic, the Velveteen Rabbit. Is that not a classic Easter book? In mint condition. I paid $1 for it at a thrift store. And look at the pictures. The illustrations in this book are just so pretty. So also with this, I can use this for at Christmas time, put a Christmas book, and when Easter's over and spring comes, I'll just put a decorating book in there. So it can be used for all seasons, and it's kind of out of the ordinary because it normally would go in your kitchen with a recipe book. So let me show you what it looks like. This is what it's going to look like. And at Christmas time, I'll put a Christmas book, and in the summertime, I will put a just a decorating home book for summer or spring, and but this will get me through each holiday and just changing up the books. Okay, so I'm gonna show you where I put it in my home. Okay, guys, the lighting in here is not that good, but you can see what I did with it. I put it on my piano, and I usually decorate this seasonally anyway, so I just thought it looked so pretty. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stick around, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of my video. And be sure to check out the playlist below, and until next time,